Hello creators! In this video, we're going to be looking at all of the shortcuts you can use with Movavi Video Editor Plus. We're going to start with the most simple shortcuts. Under File here, you can use Control-O to open media files or add files, and then Control+New to create a new project, Control-F to open project, Control+S to save, or Control-Shift-S to save project as. So now, onto some shortcuts you can use all the time to speed up your editing and make editing so much faster. First up, we're going to cover the basic shortcuts that you can use throughout your computer in almost any program or in your files. First, we have Control+C to copy anything. So if I want to copy this, I'll press Control-C, and then you can paste it. You can use Control-V to paste anything. I also can cut it, so if I want to cut it, the difference is it's going to take it away, and I'll use Control-X to cut, and then it will move it when you paste it with Control-V to wherever you want it. Then if you just want it to go away, you can delete it with the delete key. So those you can use in pretty much any program on Windows computers. Next, let's say you make a mistake, you want to undo. You can use Control-Z to undo, or Control-Y to redo. And you can actually find that here by hovering. So if you forget that shortcut, you can just hover here and it will show you undo for Control+C, redo with Control+Y. Now this one I use probably more than any of the shortcuts. It's Control+B, which will cut your clips. So I'll just put the playhead wherever I want it and then cut with Control+B. It makes it so much faster. Again, you can check that up here on the cut. If you just hover over that, it will show you the shortcut. Now, a different way and a very quick way to copy in Movavi is to hold Control and then just click and drag whatever you want to copy. And it will copy whatever you have highlighted. So to highlight multiple things, you're going to hold Control and then click each item that you want to highlight, and then if you continue holding Control, you can move all of those items. Now this will move things without anything linked to it, so if I want to move something that has something linked and I don't want to follow it, unlike when you copy. So if I copy something, it'll actually move the linked item as well. Now to duplicate a clip, you can press Control-D, and it will also duplicate items without copying the thing that's linked to it. This can work really well if you're looping something, or you just need to keep adding more background. It'll automatically add it in next to the clip you select. Now we also have Control-M to add a marker. So let's say I have a point that I want to remember. I'm just going to click Control-M, and you have to make sure you have whatever clip selected so it will be attached to that clip. So I'll press Control-M here and type whatever you'd like. And then when I move that clip, it will actually stay attached to it, like so. We also have Control-E, which will add a screenshot or a freeze frame of whatever video. So if I want a freeze frame added in, I'll just click there, and it will make a freeze frame of that video. And now they've recently added this one where you can press Control-R to add audio. So if I press Control-R, it's automatically going to take me to this record audio section here. Makes it super easy to start recording your voice or your voiceover for your video. All of these are also found up here in the Edit tab. So if you forget, you can take a look up here in the Edit tab, and you will see all of those shortcuts labeled very easily. So next up, these help a little bit with playback. For quick play and pause, you can press the spacebar, which can make it a lot easier instead of trying to go up here to click play. Oftentimes, if I'm trying to click play, I will accidentally hit this and then move my playhead, and it's really frustrating. So I try to get used to using that spacebar instead for quick pause and play wherever you want. So you can quickly skip to the next clip by pressing Shift and pressing an arrow key. So I'll hold Shift, press over, and it will jump to the next clip either direction. And then if you hold Control, it will jump frames. So it will move just one frame at a time, which can help if you're trying to pinpoint a certain part. If you hold both of them, Shift and Control, it's going to skip 0.5 seconds through your clip, like so. You can go either direction with that. Now, You can jump to full screen quickly with Alt plus Enter. Alt-Enter will exit and enter full screen quickly. You can find these shortcuts up here under Playback. If you forget, you just kind of take a look up here and you'll remember your shortcuts. If you liked this video, be sure to check out these other Movavi tutorials. See you in the next video.